What's up, team? Just went out to Fort Myers. Actually, I'm still in Fort Myers. Picked up this 06 Suzuki XL7. But this portion of the video is going to be real short. I just wanted to show you guys the mileage on it. You guys getting that? Is that in focus? Let me see. Did that work? Anyway, I hope that worked. Basically, that's just to show you guys that I really am driving this car this distance. As soon as we get back to Tampa, I'll show you more about the video. So far, knock on wood. Let's talk when we get to Tampa. All right, let's just see how that works out for us. All right, guys, so we're back here in Tampa. Made it. Yo, she ran fine. I mean, she's low on Freon, that's for sure. So it's got AC, but every now and again the AC light will start to flicker, but it'll stay cold the whole time. And the radio did this weird thing. I'll show you. What's up with that? I don't know. That was weird. But other than that, she rides, man. She rides. So once I get to Leroy's, because I take all the cars to Leroy's, drop them off, he'll go through them, and then I'll pick them up and take them to the dealership. Well, here, look, we're moving again, so you guys can see the you know, see the mileage, see we're driving them. But like I was saying, I'll take him to Leroy. He'll go through it, make sure, you know, she's a clean bill of sale. Clean bill of health, rather, and then we'll put her out there, you know. So this is just what it is, guys. This is, you know, another ACV vehicle. Picked it up Fort Myers. Picked it up in Fort Myers, Florida. Drove it the whole way back to Tampa. Knock on wood, you know, no issues. We're about to pull up to Leroy's, and that's it. This is just, you know, another dollar menu. I think with what's going on in this world right now, mainly what's going on in Florida, right? Well, it's going on everywhere, but I'm concerned with Tampa in terms of cars. You know, I feel like dollar menu is the way to go. I feel like, you know, people are going to start to hold on to that money, and, you know, if they need a car, they're just going to go with something real cheap like. But any which way. All right, guys, I'll show you the outside, and I'll get with it. Hit that subscribe, ring that bell, please. And for those of you that already have, thank you so much. I appreciate everything. But here we go. What's up, team? Demo Flips. All right, made it here. Got the car. It's a 06 Suzuki XL7. Let's take a look, see what we have. You guys know I got a thing for white cars. So right off the bat, got a little bit of damage here. She's dirty as can be. I haven't cleaned it. Just legitimately got back here. I don't know if that could come off. Whatever. I don't know. She's got a hole in the carpet down there. But other than that, the interior is not too bad. You can see the crack in the radio there, like on the bezel. So we have that, but so this thing is broken. Just keep walking around, see what we have. It doesn't look, again, like I said, like it doesn't look too terrible. I wonder, nah. So I don't even know how this thing opens. Oh, here we go. Someone definitely took good care of this vehicle, in my opinion. You know, she got a 195, let's just say, and she made it back no problem. So I'm gonna say someone definitely cared for it. This is a ACV auction. We got it from our flagship dealership, so not an independent. So you guys know I try not to buy from the independents. Sometimes the deal is too good and you take your chances, but for the most part I try to stay away. This thing is closed up, but there's really not much to say about it. You guys know how we do. It's just a quick video of the car. You know, we walk around it one more time. The headlights get buffed out. You know, we're in this one, I want to say 750, 60. Oh yeah, it's missing the gas cap. 60 for the buyer's fee, and then 25 that they charge at where I'm at. So all in all, 750, 60, 810, so 835 in total. 835 for this one. And put it up, you know, 2100 maybe. See what we get. Again, it's a $1 menu special. You know, it runs, it drives, it's an SUV. So plenty of room. Guys, as always, tell me what you think, you know, if I got a good deal or not. Tell me what you'd pay or sell it for in your area. I'm sorry, I'm acting kinda out of it, but I've been going since 4 a.m. I'm about to go pick up another car right now. All right, guys, subscribe, ring that bell. Thank you for the support. I'll see you on the next one.